Hello, class 6. How are you all? So, we are going to begin the new chapter number 7, Getting to Know Plants. Yes. What is the name of chapter number 7? Getting to Know Plants. Yes. We are going to study about plants in this chapter. Yes. We are going to study about the plants. So, we will study about different kind of plants like herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers, and not only we will study the type of plants, we will also study that how do they make food, and we will also study the different parts in detail. Yes, in detail we will study, okay, because you already know that what is root, what is flower, what is uh, stem, but we will study in detail. We will study little bit in detail to make you understand. And as you know that plants are very important. Yes, they help in many ways. They help in many ways, like they provide us oxygen. Yes, they provide us oxygen. In return they take carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide is harmful gas which is absorbed by them, so they maintain the balance of environment. And not only they provide oxygen, they provide us many things, like they provide us fruits. Yes, plants provide us many kind of vegetables. Yes, they provide us cereals. So different kind of things they give us. Yes, and most important thing that they help in water cycle. Yes, by transpiration process they release water vapor. Yes, what is transpiration? Transpiration process is processed by water absorbed by plants. Extra water is released. Sorry. So extra water is released by plants. This process is known as transpiration, which goes up into the sky due to condensation. When it cools down, then it again convert into small droplets of water, and it comes on the earth as a rainfall under the gravity. So we already know about it, and they also help to protect us from flood. Yes, they also help us to protect from flood. How? Because the root of the plant, root of the trees uh, help to bind the soil. And when the rainfall occur, they absorb the water. Yes, they absorb as much as possible. Yeah, but due to our greediness, we are cutting the trees. Yes, we are cutting everyday trees. You know, we make many kind of things from plants, trees. Yes, we make different medicines, we make furniture. Yes, wooden furniture we use in our home: door, chair, table. Yes, window. Yes, am I right? And they provide us fruits and many more things, but we are cutting them continuously. Why are we cutting? Because population is increasing, so we need more. Yes, we are making houses using the trees. We also burn the wood. Yes, we also burn the wood. Is it correct? So they are very essential for us, but we are cutting too much. We are not growing so much tree. Yes, we are cutting so much. So because of it, pollution is increasing day by day. Yes, pollution is also increasing because of it. And when the pollution occur, which pollution? Air pollution is increasing. Yes, because vehicles, factories, they release car motorcycle, they release carbon dioxide gas, but there are few trees. When then carbon dioxide level will increase. Yes, and carbon dioxide causes many disease, irritation in eyes. Yes, possible, and tension, cancer related, lungs related disease. We will face breathing problem. Yes, so different kind of things are possible because of it. Okay, so it was the brief introduction about plants. Now we will study first of all about herbs. Okay, let's move on the next point. Okay, kids, now let's study about herbs. HERBS, herbs. So I think you might have studied about herbs in lower classes. Yes, if you have not studied in lower classes about herbs, then do a work. Open the book of second class, third class book. Check out. You will get all the information about herbs. Yes, I'm not telling lie. It's true. Yeah, but you forgot because it happens. Okay. Sorry. I think there is a problem in throat a little bit. That's why it's happening. So herbs. Let's talk about herbs. So as you can see the picture, yes, can you see the picture? So plants with a green and tender stem are called herbs. Yes, plants with green and tender stem are called herbs. Means soft stem. Yes. So herbs are those plants which actually have soft stem. Yes, they have soft stem, yes, very soft stem. So, can you think and tell me which plants have soft stem? Can you tell me? Think just for a moment. Think and tell me. Yes, coriander. Coriander have soft stem. Mint. Mint also have soft stem. Am I right? So they are actually herbs. Yes, because they are green plant. Yes, they are green plant, completely green, and their stem is very soft. Yes, it can bend easily. It can bend easily. Yes, and they are not tall. Yes, their height is very short. They are actually usually short, and generally may not have many branches. They do not have so much branches. Okay, and they are used for many purposes. Yes, there are many uses. They are used for food, flavoring, medicine, or perfume. Yes, so these are the main uses of herbs: food, flavoring, medicine, or perfume. So, what do you mean by herbs? What do you mean by herbs? Plants, or you can say green plants. I think green plants is the accurate word. Green plants with soft stem are known as herbs. Yes, green plants with soft stems are known as herbs. Yes, you can write down the definition. I'm speaking again. Green plants with soft stems are called herbs. Yes, or you can write the definition as you can see on the screen. Yes, can you see? Can you see on your screen? Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. Yes, plants with green and soft stems are called herbs. Yes, they are short, usually short. They do not have many branches. Then they use for making many things, and they use to make perfume, medicine. Yes. So I hope that you understood about herbs. Now we will talk about shrubs. Let's move on the next point. Okay, now after herbs, let's talk about shrubs. 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 Okay, shrubs. So you know, now you know about herbs. Yes, now you know about herbs, that herbs are actually green plants. Yes, they have they are soft. Yes, the stem is soft, and they are completely green, and they do photosynthesis. We will also study about photosynthesis. Okay, we will study about the photosynthesis later, and we will also study about different type of we will also study about leaves. Yes, so herbs are actually green plants with this tender stem, and like mint, coriander. They also use for food, flavoring medicine. They are very short. Yes. Now let's talk about the shrubs. Yes, shrubs. So shrubs. Have you seen the rose plant? Yes, rose. Rose is a shrub. Yes, rose is a shrub. And shrub are actually those plants which are used for ornamental purpose. Yes, which are used. They are actually ornamental plant. Yes, most of the shrubs are actually ornamental plant. Yes, they are used in garden. Shrubs are used in garden, like rose. Yes, you know, different kind of flowers. They are actually shrubs. So, if we talk about shrubs, some plants have the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard but not very thick. Yes. So, we can say that shrubs are actually green plants. Shrubs are also green plants, but there is a difference between herbs and shrub. What? Herbs have soft stem and shrub have little hard stem. So we can say plants with a hard stem, yes, are known as shrubs. Yes. So an area of cultivated shrub in a park or golden is shown known as a strawberry. Yes, this is a new word. Shrewberry, Shrubber, shrewberry. So, what is the meaning of shrewberry? Shrewberry, an area of cultivated shrubs in a park or a garden is known as shrubberry. Yes, it is the area. Shrubberry is a area where shrubs are grown. Yes, shrubbery is actually that area where shrubs are grown, or you can say garden. Yes, which is because in garden most of the shrubs found. So we can say garden is actually a shrubbery area. Yeah. So it's very easy. Okay, I hope you understood what do you mean by shrubs? Plants with hard stem, yes, are known as shrubs. They are also green plants. Okay, so it's very easy. Now let's talk about trees. Let's move on the next point. Okay, kids. Now let's talk about the trees. Yes. So uh, trees are very essential for us. Yes, they provide us shade. Yes, and we get many things from trees like plants. We get the fruit from trees. Yes, we get the different wood. We get the wood. Yes. Mm. So trees are very essential. They provide us oxygen. Yes. Apart from this, one more point is that different kind of birds live on trees. They make the nest. Yes, you might have seen the nest of sparrow, crow on the tree. Yes, and sometime you might have seen the beehive, and not only these one, inside the bark of tree, inside the bark of tree, insect live. Yes, insect leaves, they make their natural habitat inside the bark of tree. If you try to pull out bark, you will find many insect roaming in it. Yes, and trees are very strong. Their stem is very large in size. Yes, it's very strong, like you know banyan tree. Yes, which stem is known as trunk. Yes, and you know that there are many trees found around us, like neem tree, mango tree. Yes, is banana a tree? No, it's not a tree. Okay, remember. And shisham, you might have heard. So there are different kind of trees, but all the trees does not provide food. Yes, and in summer place, at hot area, at hot area different trees are grown, and in cold area different trees are grown. Yes, in cold area, if you will go, the shape of trees is just like triangle. Yes. So different, at different place different trees are grown. Different place different trees are grown. So some plants are very tall and very hard and thick brown stem. Yes, trees have thick brown stem. So we can say plant trees are those plants which have strong stem and many branches. And the stems have branches in the upper part. Yes, the upper part have many branches, as you can see in the picture. And such plants are called trees. Yes, these plants are known as trees. They tend to be long lived. Yes, and the life of herbs and shrubs, around 6 months or 1 year. But mm, the life of trees can be uh, uh, 10 year, 20 year, 50 year, 100 year. Yes, 100 year is also possible. Mm, there are many tree, people tree. Yes, people is also tree. So you know about them. So, and some of them live 1,000 years. Yes, you might have seen such kind of trees around you around your house, or in city or somewhere you might have seen them. So some plants are very tall and have a hard and thick brown stem. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. I hope you understood. Now let's study a different topic, climber and creeper. Let's move on the next point. Okay, so now let's talk about the climbers and creepers. Yes, first of all, we will study about climbers. Have you seen grapevine? Have you seen P? Or have you seen money plant? Have you seen, what are these plants? These are known as climber. Yes, grapevine, pea, money plant. They are known as climber. Why? Because when they grow, when they elongate, they need support. Yes, they need support. They take the support, like you might have seen on the wall during rainy season. You might have seen that some plants are with the help of wall, they are going up. Yes, they are moving up, and you might have seen some plants on big trees, they are just around them and going up and up. You might have seen. Yes, so these are actually climbers. So what are climbers? Plants that take support on neighboring structure. Yes, means plants that need support to climb up are called climbers. Yes, plants that need support, they take support to climb up. Yes, they take the support of neighboring structure. Neighboring means what is near them. If there is near a wall, they will climb on the wall. If there near is a tree, they will climb on the tree. If there near is a any string thread, they will climb on it. Yes, they climb on anything. If you are near the plant, they will climb on you. So they are known as climbers. Grapevine, pea, money plants. Now let's talk about creepers. Yes, CREEPERS, creepers, regna. Yes. Have you ever seen the watermelon plants? Sometime watermelon plants grow suddenly, it happens. Have you seen pumpkin? Yes, these are known as creepers. Yes, these plants are known as creepers. So, what are climbers? And climbers. Climbers are those plants which take the support of neighboring structure. And what are creepers? So, actually, the stem of a creeper is very weak. Yes, they have very weak stem, so they cannot climb. They cannot climb on the wall, and they cannot climb on the trees. Yes, they cannot climb on any wood, because their fruit is also very heavy. That's why, because of heavy fruit, they can break. They their the plants, branches can break. That's why they cannot climb. So plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright. Yes, they cannot stand upright, they cannot climb, and spread on the ground. Yes, they spread on the ground just like snake. Yes, just like snake, they spread on the ground. They are known as creepers. Yes, they are known as creepers. So plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are known as creepers, like pumpkin, watermelon. Okay, these are known as creepers. So it's very easy to memorize them. Yes, so I hope you understood what are climbers and what are creepers. Let's again read. Please look on the screen. I'm reading last time. So what are climbers? Plants that take support on neighboring structure and climb up are called climbers, or you can say plants that need support to climb up are known as climbers. Example: grapevine, GRAPEVINE, PEAP, money plant. And what are creepers? Plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are known as creepers, like pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. Okay, I hope you understood. It's very easy. Now let's move on the next point. Okay, now it's time to ask question from you. So today only two question for you. So as you can see on the screen, you can write down in your notebook also. Okay, so question number one is, what are herbs and shrubs? Write with examples. Yes, so you already know what are herbs and shrubs. Yes, what are herbs? Herbs, I'm telling the definition of herbs at first. Okay, so plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. Yes, or you can say plants with or you can say green plants with soft stems. Yes, green plants with the soft stems are known as herbs. It's a very easy definition, you can easily memorize. Yes, am I right? And you will not have any issue. Mm, it's very easy. Yes, that actually all the topic of this chapter are easy. Yes, so plants with green and tender stems are called herbs, and they are usually short and may not have many branches. I already explained, and they are used to make many things, right? Like they are used to make medicines, perfume, food, flavoring. Yes, many and many all these are about herbs. And if we talk about the examples of herbs, like coriander is the example of herbs. Shrubs, now let's talk about the shrubs. Shrubs. So we can say that green plants with strong stem, green plants with strong stem are known as shrubs. Yes, or you can say that or you can say some plants have the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. You might have seen the plants which are grown in garden are actually shrub. Yes, they are grown in area which is known as shrubbery. And like you might have seen rose. Yes, rose is actually a shrub. So it's easy. Now next question. So question number two is, write the difference between climbers and creeper. Yes, climbers and creeper difference. It's a very easy topic. You can easily memorize it. So climbers take support. Climbers need support to go upright, to go up. And creepers don't take support, they grow on the ground. Yes, and creepers have weak stem. If we talk about the examples of climber example, grapevine, pea, money plant. And if we talk about the example of creepers, pumpkin, muskmelon, watermelon. Okay, so I hope you understood climbers and difference between climbers and creeper. Yes, climbers are plants that take support on neighboring structure and climb up are called climbers. And creepers, plants with weak stems that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground, are called creepers. It's very easy. And we also studied about trees. Yes, today we also studied about trees. So last time I am explaining again. You no need to memorize too much about trees. You can write in your own language about trees. Yes, can you write in your own language about tree? It's very easy. You have been studying since childhood, since first class about the trees. So it's very easy topic. That some plants are very tall and have hard and thick brown stem. The stem have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called tree. Yes, trees are long. They have strong stem, long branches, and they tend to be long lived. Some reaching several thousand-year old. Yes, they live. Their life is so long. Okay. So it's enough for today. Tomorrow we will study about new topic like venation, leaf venation, and We will study about fibrous root. Yes, these kind of topic, flower. So we will study all this. Now we'll meet in next class. Till then, bye bye.